Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be explaining to all of you the different actions you can perform on annotations on Photopea Viewer over SharePoint. First of all, if you go to the Tools tab, which is up here on the top ribbon, you will be able to change the thickness of the annotations, their opacity, and you will be able to fill them. In addition, to change the color, go to the color picker over here. Now, to add comments to your annotations, first make sure that your selection mode is single, and then select the annotation you wish to add a comment on. Now, go to the right panel and click here, and then write your comment in the text box, and then click on Save. Once you save, another text box will automatically appear, and so you can add as many comments as you like. In the video called Part 10 Security Features, you will find out that you can also control who can view and edit your annotations. Whether a user can only view an annotation or view it and edit it, in both cases, he or she will be able to see the comments on the annotation and will also be able to add their own comments. To delete a comment, just click on the dustbin icon. One last feature to do with annotations is the ability to work with many at once. Suppose you want to drag a couple of them together. Instead of having to drag them one by one, you can go up here and change the selection mode from single to multi. And now go through selecting them, and there you go. They are now moving together. To clear the selection, click on this icon here. There is another way to group the annotations together. Instead of selecting each annotation, you can use the selector by clicking here to highlight the area which has all the annotations you wish to work on together. Voila! Once again, your annotations are moving together. In the coming video, which is called Part 8 Stamps, you will know everything there is to know about the stamp options. Thanks! I hope you enjoyed this tutorial.